Yeah, I know. But sometimes when you're just talking during the rain, it's kind of like the simulation of being on a stage and delivering like the most fantastic speech in the world. You know, one where the crowd's continuously going wow. You know what I mean? That's why I said practicing in the rain. I don't require practice. I've been doing it ever for. That's a lie. Every day you practice to make perfect. Perfection is the lie. That's why every day you continue on the path of being perfect because it's a fucking lie. One of my little trade secrets. Mother Nature is as free willing as assembly of human beings.
People who have been diagnosed with mesothelioma have many questions.
Anyway,
How did I get this disease? What are my treatment options?
to be frank and quaint, that's a dog and a bird. Sounded fantastic. Okay, so to be like quite to the point, practice makes perfect, right? Perfection means worth it. That's why you keep striving for the perfection. And the best part of all that bullshit is knowing that nothing is perfect. So you never get comfortable with where you at, or what you're doing, or how it's being done. You never stop on your quest for that myth. That was completely not what you was going to record and say. Because on mine now, I was actually going to do nothing for a while. Absolutely nothing for a while. Just be still. Yeah, exactly. Tricks of the trade. There's no tricks to it. It's just becoming yourself and knowing who you are. Everyone will try to tell you how to be yourself, but let's be real. Teach your own, right? Right? My screen blurry? Probably is. Who cares? As said. Watching Meet the Browns. It's a physical comedy as well as a, vocal comedy. They're going wild right now. It's the episode where her husband goes to the strip club. Sorry, goes to the bachelor party.
Sasha, you're the only stripper for me, Sasha. Yes. For better for worse, Sasha. Oh, this is worse. Wait a minute. I'm not him. You're Sam, brother Sam. The devil use you like that. Okay, look, guys. I am going to have to confront him. All right? I got to see what he's got to say about it. No. You can't confront him that direct. Yes. Well, why not? Because you went through his phone. But he is guilty.
You throw the motherfucking phone at the nigga. That's what you do. Evening, hun. What the fuck? Was that my phone you just threw at me? Why do you think that just happened?